why you acting like a fool? I'm walking around you, it's cool. Please tell me how you stay so cool. Ooh. Ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature rising, and for a kiss. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Decor here, guys.
My friends have told me I should move on, but I can't stop looking for clues. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, going crazy, going crazy. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I'm not sure anymore if it's gonna get better. So why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I've been acting like a fool, 'cause I tried to get you. Guess I was just obsessed with you. Ooh, ooh. Or maybe not.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're saying for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. I'll be your captain. I'll always be your captain. told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we tried, hold on. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words that come together, a story that we never told. So for your sake and for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break